Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an YO assignment, YO Excel assignment, YO19, Excel app capstone, application capstone comp costumes. This is its project description. You can read it carefully to understand what is he saying in the project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel download and open file name Excel app application capstone camp costume. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Click enable editing if necessary. I have already downloaded this file. Grader had added my last name to the file first name. That's our first step. And if you need help in the online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Canvas course, Pearson course, Engage course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just scan the barcode of my WhatsApp which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. We will do the second step now. On the sales data worksheet, we will go to the sales data worksheet. That is our sales data worksheet. Format the data A10 to L132 as an Excel table with the header. So we will select A10 to L132. That is our cell A10 to L132. We will go up to 132 and go to insert a table with the header. No, it's here it's showing A11. We will make it as A10 to, yes, it's now inserted. Apply the blue table style medium 6. We need to apply blue table style medium 6. We'll go the medium. That is our blue table style medium 6. We apply this one. Create a range name for the data table using the heading in the A10 to L10. So we will go to the formula tab and here we will go to the define names. We will select create from selection from top row only. From you will select from top row only and press OK. So it's assigned from the top row. So now our second step is completed. We will go to the third step. Create an advanced filter to find all purchases in the table that take place after September 13, 2020. Enter the appropriate criteria in the cell A2 and filter the data in the place. So we will copy this and paste this one to the cell A2. Its date. We will paste it like that. We will make it sure that it's not any free space, so our filter will work. What is saying? Enter the appropriate criteria in the cell A2 and filter the data in place. So we need to filter the data. That is our data. We will go to the home tab and here in this we will go to the data tab and we will go to the advanced filters. That is our range A10 to L32 criterion range. We will select. Our criteria is from A1 to K2 and filter the list in the place. So we need to filter in place. We will press OK and we have applied the filter here. You see we have got the table in which it's showing the purchase after this date 9/30/2020. So that's our third step. Our fourth step is in the D4 use the subtotal function to calculate the average number of Halloween costumes sold. So we will copy this We will move to the cell D4. That is our cell D4. We will put here subtotal, start the bracket, first average, and what is the other one? We need to put the Howlin total. Here is its Howlin total. We need to select this. We need to close our bracket and press enter. You see we have got our results 8.57. That's our, and what is saying, format with the zero decimal. So we will make it as zero decimal. We will go to the home tab and make it zero decimal. That's our fourth step. In our fifth step, in cell D5, use the subtotal function to calculate the total number of Christmas costumes sold. So we will go to the here. We will put is equal to subtotal. Start our bracket and make it average. Average function using the, no, we need to calculate the total number of. So we will use the sum function here. In this we will use the sum function. Here is sum function. And what is the costume? Christmas costume. We will select this row, select this column and close our bracket, and we have got our result here, and make it a zero decimal. Now it's zero decimal. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is insert a slicer for the month field. We need to go for the insert, and here in the slicer we will select month field, press OK. Month field slicer is active. Apply light blue slicer style dark 5. So we need to apply light blue slicer style dark 5. That's our style. Format the slicer with the 4 column. We need to format this with the 4 columns. Here we will change the column 4 column, and move the slicer so that it cover the range M2 to R5. So we will make it to M2 here up to R5. That is our cell R5. We will make it here. In the slicer select November. So in the slicer you will select November. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is using the Excel table, create a pivot table on a new worksheet. Rename the worksheet as October analysis. So we will copy this and we will select in the table and go to the insert tab, and with what we need to do, insert create a pivot table. Here is the create pivot table, table 1, to a new worksheet, and press OK. That's our pivot table. We will make this sheet as a October analysis. That's our 7 steps. We have total 20 steps in this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the barcode which is given at the end of the video and at the start of the video to directly come to in my inbox of WhatsApp. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates.